You might think you know how much we love our team.
Go, Habs, go!
Go, Habs.
Go, Habs, go! 25! Woo!
You have no idea. Woo!
Go, hot, go.
Habs Empire, are you ready to rock it?
We all wore the same costume as Maurice Richard did, the red, white and blue costume of the Montreal Canadiens.
Yo, we rock the sweater, we rock it proud, rock like Carrier, we rock it loud. The one that say Ash go and let the whole world know. Go, go, Habs go. Yeah, come on, Habs Empire. We wanna raise that cup up high. When I'm feeling like I wanna show the world what greatness is. Red and blue and white sweater, the CH it is. When I wanna feel the ghosts of the legends, I rock my vintage old school Marin 7. When I wanna show we got way more cups than your team, turn around and flash my Richard 16. When these haters go on an all-out attack, but number 39 it always has my back. Yeah, when I need a leader, reinforcement, put the fight straps on my 2-7 Corson. When I wanna be the kind of dude you can lean on, believe I got my number 12 Mike Keen on. When I wanna feel a burst of speed and power, chances are I got the jersey with the number 10 flower. When I give a wink like you can't see me, bet you I'm wearing my Roi 3-3. We rock the sweater, we rock it proud, rock like Carrier, we rock it loud. The one that say Ash go and let the whole world know that we rock the sweater, we rock it proud, rock like Carrier, we rock it loud. Red, blue and white flags fly, we gonna raise that cup up high. Go, go, Habs go. Yeah, come on, Habs Empire. We wanna raise that cup up high. Sometimes I need a touch of class when I'm feeling low, so I get a lift from a 4 Bellevue. When you see I got a lot of weapons in my arsenal, I got them all from a 21 Carbonel. When I gotta be clutch and win it the hard way, I rock my 28 Deja Dane. When I'm looking for a little refinement, you probably see me rapping number 29 Dryden. When I gotta be the one who saves the day, I go and pull out my 15 KK. When I need to muster up a little character, I'm in your face with my 1-1 Gallagher. Yeah, when I need to give my squad a boost, I come through with my Caulfield 22. I'll be MVP for life when you see me rock my 3-1 price. When I'm feeling like I just might fall apart, put 11 on my back and a C on my heart. Can't separate a Habs fan from a sweater, that's why I rock number 9 forever. We rock the sweater, we rock it proud, rock like Carrier, we rock it loud. The one that say Ash go and let the whole world know that we rock the sweater, we rock it proud, rock like Carrier, we rock it loud. Red, blue and white flags fly, cause it's feeling like 25. Come on, go, Habs go. Yeah, come on, Habs Empire. We wanna raise that cup up high. Go, Habs go. Keep singing Habs for life, cause it's feeling like 25. Go, Habs go.
They both swat at that loose puck now. Caulfield gets it loose up front. Score! Toffoli! Tyler Toffoli! And the Canadiens roll to the Stanley Cup semifinal.
Go, yeah, Habs go. Yeah, come on, Habs Empire. You ready to rock it? That cup up, Montreal, stand up. Can you feel it? Keep singing Habs for life, cause you feel like 25. Yeah, come on, y'all. Yeah, Habs Empire. Can you feel it? We're almost there. So rock the sweater. Rock it proud, y'all.
Et beaucoup de rapidité. Ouais, beaucoup de confiance de la part de ces joueurs.